absolutely impossible to get inside here, but somebody let us in.
Yeah.
Okay, it's going up to the 8th floor now. Today it's the 2nd of March 2025. We have Hallituskatu today, and all the 4 staircases here from A to D. You can watch here. It was really difficult to get them, but we did it somehow.
Yeah.
Not first here, it's also here in Tampere, Finland. Built in 1974, finished in 1975, and unfortunately they're going to modernized, so replaced them. So we don't know exactly when, but still, they're planning that with these hopers at 20 grams. This is the first one.
Yeah.
But the basement floor is locked.
Yeah.
2 rides here.
Yeah.
And this here there is the 34, 35, 31. And yeah, started. I like this man, yeah.
Same here.
The memories are necessary.
Yeah.
Tultiin kasviin.
Joo.
Pistetään muualle. Pannoin tuohon ykköseen.
Joo.
Täytyy vähän kerrasta. That's okay. We got the blood at the same time.
Yeah.
It was very embarrassing.
Yeah.
And these were actually very important to film because they have amazing sounds too.
Yeah.
Luckily we didn't miss that. Because I had a friend in Tampere who had given the tips for these.
Yeah.
That they're going to memorize them.
Yeah. But I also found that in Oikoti, so but yeah.
But it was the same information from
Yeah.
so it was correct.
Yeah.
But that friend heard it from a friend who lived in this building.
Yeah.
I was living here.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope nobody is on the first floor.
Yeah.
But I don't think so.
Just dit bara kiva iskuttaa meitä ett par skylla.
The gap between the first and second floor is lower.
Yeah.
I love the sounds here.
Same here.
Still typical early 1970s march there.
Yeah.
But those was finished in 75.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. Let's get pictures.
That's